Okay, so let's go ahead and pour the glue in. Oh, it's so exciting. What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Y'all have seen me make slime plenty of times in my huge, gigantic 20-quart mixer, but have you ever seen me make slime in a little mixer? Like this one? I don't think you have. I have never made slime in a mixer this small. It is so cute. I actually found this at the Sam's Club, believe it or not. It's a little baby mixer. It came with like a full kitchen set, but obviously I just wanted it for the mixer. So I am just really excited to use it because I don't even know if like it's gonna work. I mean, it works obviously. You see that there? It most definitely works, but I don't know if it's going to work with glue and activator in it. We shall see. Real quick, I did want to let you all know that I am doing Vlogmas as well on my second channel. If you want to go ahead and check that out, it is linked down in the description box below. Vlogmas is basically where you vlog every single day until Christmas. So you can see behind the scenes slime stuff with my slime shop. You can see me shopping for slime supplies and things like that. So you should definitely go ahead and subscribe to that channel and check it out. All right, let's get started, shall we? Oh, now it is time to go ahead and make our slime. I'm so excited. So I have 2 bottles of Elmer's glue here. Obviously, I don't think this is gonna fit. I probably don't even think one is going to fit, but we're gonna find out. I mean, that's the whole point of this video. So which one should I go for? Which slime do we wanna make first? I have blue metallic glue here, and I have purple. I have pink opaque glue right here as well. I think I'm gonna go for the pink one first, just because the mixer itself is blue. It's not the same color of blue, but it's still like in the blue family. So let's go ahead and make some pink slime, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and pop this open here so that we can go ahead and make our slime. I'm so excited, you have no idea. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's go ahead and pour the glue in. Oh, it's so exciting. Should I do more than that? I'm gonna go ham, y'all. I'm just gonna add as much as I can. Let's do this. Before I actually turn this on and start adding the activator, comment down below and let me know if you think this is actually going to work. I'm a little skeptical, but I have a little bit of hope. Okay, so now that we have our glue in, it is time to add our activator. So I'm first going to just turn this baby on and see if it'll even mix. Let's see. No, it's stuck. I'm sad. It's not moving. Oh, it goes pretty... Oh, Lord. Glue just went everywhere. That is not what I was planning to do. Okay, let's just add some activator in here and see what happens. Okay, come on. Mix for daddy, please. Can you please just mix a little bit? Come on. Kind of works if you do that. Also kind of defeats the purpose. I don't know if this is gonna work, y'all. There's not enough horsepower in here. They don't have the horses in the back. Okay, this was tragic. I feel sad right now. I really wanted this to work. There has got to be something else I could do. Oh Lord, it's stuck. She's not moving. Oh. Oh, that's very interesting. Not sure if we stand or not. Come on, mix, mix, mix just a little bit. Here, let me help you out. Come on. Go ahead. Go off, sis. Go off. Mix it in. Go off, honey. Oh, she did. She's dead. She's definitely not with us anymore. Come on. You got this. I had such high hopes for you. I'm a little skeptical, but I have a little bit of hope. Okay, I have to cheat and do this, okay? Because we ain't getting slime if I don't. add a little more activator, even though she could barely handle what she has on her plate right now. Honey, can we talk, please? You need to do your job. You are not cheap, Miss Thing, okay? I had to buy a whole set of dishes and kitchen stuff to get you, girl. I'm gonna need you to pull your own weight. Okay, well, let's turn it off and see if we at least have slime here. Like, is this at least good? No, it's not. She is struggling. Oh my gosh. Well, that was awkward. We making some slime today. I'm gonna need you to get with the program, Miss Mixer. All right? I don't know who you think you are. Come on. Oh, we have slime. Okay, wow. We have slime. It's not very good. Oh Lord. Oh goodness gracious. Okay, we gotta mix all the activator in. It's like super clumpy. I can't even turn this thing off. Okay. So we definitely have slime. However, it is not activated properly. So that is most definitely a thing, but it's okay because I'm used to this. I can do this. Just gotta mix in all the clumps of activator and get us our slime. Okay, so obviously I did like 95% of the work and the mixer probably did like 0.5 and the other like 8.5 was Jesus. I can't add math, I don't know. So yeah, we have a little bit of slime that, our team made.
A few moments later.
Okay, well, if that wasn't a mess, I don't know what is. I mean, we definitely made slime. However, we, as in the mixer, no. As in me and Jesus, yes, we made slime. Thank you, Jesus. I genuinely didn't think this was gonna end amazingly. Like, I definitely didn't think that I was gonna start making slime for like Instagram videos in this, but I definitely did think that it would at least turn, which it wasn't. It was like stuck in the glue alone and there wasn't even an activator in there or anything yet. It's okay, honey. You tried your hardest and that is all that matters. Just know that I will never need you again. Alright, well now you know what happens if you try to make slime in the world's smallest mixer. It really doesn't do anything. The glue is just way too thick for it. I am so sorry if this is a short video. I literally don't even think there's any point in testing this metallic glue, especially because this metallic glue is even a little bit thicker than this opaque glue. So I don't think we're gonna have any better results. I mean, she's pretty much dead. She's deceased. She's gone with the wind. Just 10 feet up. Alrighty, y'all, well that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know what other things I should try to make slime in, and I can definitely try to do that. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!